pace. Hurry up or you'll fall behind, is what they said to me. They told me how to spend my time and what was best for me. They may all think I go too slow, makes no difference to me, 'cause there's no way for them to know the life that's meant for me. I got nothing to prove, I'll do this my own way. I only need to move.
So we're inside the city hall, I believe. So we're going upstairs. Here we go. Here on the second floor is the mayor's office. Right here, this is a really cool place. I don't know if we're allowed to record. I'm not sure if these are all the mayors. I think so.
Oh, okay.
That have held office here
Former.
in Manila.
All right.
Mayor Isko should be here again. Twice. And there's the official office of the mayor. Straight ahead. Oh yeah, we did walk around here for a little bit just to look at the
Yeah.
stuff.
No light. No light.
Is the city jail? Is that an exhibit? Hang on. Mondays.
Excuse me.
Hello. Someone's in there. Ooh, it's Edcom. That felt good. Are you gonna go in?
Open kayo ngayon? Close po kami every Monday. Pero yung cafe is open, right?
Where's that?
Go to the cafe upstairs.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
If you want to just look at this.
I suppose, oh, the lights are off. Saving energy, right? So where was the cafe?
On the floor.
Oh, we gotta go up again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go up again then. Yeah. I'm recording now. What?
Ooh, it's hot. So this is how the mayor's office looked like back in 1950. I think that's what they told us the first time we came to visit the museum. Well, actually, we did say the museum was closed on Mondays, but since we were already, well, we were heading up to the cafe, which is on the 4th floor, but since we were already taking pictures and doing video, they came up and said, well, might as well let you guys go up to the clock tower. So they made 200 pesos today. It's 100 pesos per person.
Yeah. Yeah. So not even $2.
$4 for it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are all the mayors.
From the beginning of time. Maybe.
Our current mayor.
There you go. And if you were the mayor, this is your view. If you're sat in the museum. All right. And then they have art exhibits throughout, which is really cool. Definitely a Spanish influence, I would say, with a lot of the art, wouldn't you say?
Yes. I really like this. I wonder if this was the artist's depiction of how stacked the homes are here in the Philippines.
That's probably BGC before BGC. That was the first BGCs, the first high rises. Oh, okay. So if you're here, or if you're watching this video, if you scan that QR code for Manila Clock Tower, you can look through the works of art that are for sale, and these can be purchased. All of them, or just a select few? We don't know.
Let's see.
Huh, let's see. Okay, what? So when you
scan the QR code, here's the price list for June through July art pieces.
There you go, and you can look at find the artists.
And there's the
Descriptions
price.
and the prices.
Ooh, 252,000.
Oh,
There's one for 24,000.
hey, it's a bargain. What do you get for 24? Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
If you like a leopard, cheetah, whichever one that is.
So yeah.
24,000 for about $450. The rest of these,
is that what it is?
Yeah, 24,000. Oh, 36,000.
Oh, actually, I'm sorry.
it's about
That's
$700.
252,000.
No, the other one's 24,000.
Oh, that was 24,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoops, my bad.
It's down there. See, there it is.
Yeah.
So about $450, roughly. This is not precise. Yeah,
Okay.
all of them.
So you'll see the art pieces.
There you go.
In here.
I don't know how you're going to get it unless you live nearby, but oh, these are cool. I like sculptures. I like that. The Filipino Iron Man.
I like this.
Dancing Star. That's nice. Symphony of Senses. These all have names, so I like that one. That's pretty cool.
This fan's pretty handy.
And there is no aircon in the Clock Tower Museum, so the higher you go, the hotter it gets.
Yep.
Pack your fan. All right. And they've painted over these, they've covered these windows, so you don't really have a view, I suppose, until you get
They
to
want you to
the clock tower. Yeah, you know, no quitters.
Work on it.
There's no quitters here. You gotta earn the view. Gotta go all the way to the top. Every minute. All right, well, we'll come back around in a minute. Every minute the gears move in that thing. North clock. Facing the Bonifacios Shrine. Oh, okay. So there are 4 clocks. They have 1 clock. It's not just a clock tower. There's a 4 o'clock tower. I don't know if you can read that. The glare is kind of... Pause and read, and you'll know all about it. You got Wi-Fi? What do we got here? Something. Backup battery maybe for the clock. And the west clock. Hopefully they're all synchronized. I don't think, yeah, they are. Okay. So, 14. Oh, I forgot to do the view. So here's a preliminary view. This is not the view. It's a view. You got golf course, Manila Bay. What else? There it is. That was the 1 minute. The courtyard to City Hall. What's that wall over there? That's Fort
Fort Bonifacio?
Bonifacio?
Yeah, that's Intramuros.
Oh yeah, Intramuros. That's
Yeah.
the wall to Intramuros. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's right over there. If you guys can
That's
see that.
facing, we're
Right
facing.
there. Wait, am I pointing the right way? Well, you can see it. It's a wall. That's it. The picture's very small on my camera. I think that's it. And then a bigger wall over there. That's going to be a wall as well. Cool. Another clock. The south clock. So now you know. Each clock. At least in here, it has the appearance of running on separate mechanisms, but I'm sure it's pretty much. I'm sure they've synchronized.
So now we're facing Rizal Park,
Yeah.
which is
Which one of these? Did you see Makati?
maybe.
Somewhere over there? It's a lot of high rises.
No,
Way over
would that be
there.
BGC?
I don't know. Where else would they have buildings that big?
Makati.
That's what I just said. Makati or BGC. Okay.
There's the YMCA.
I'm not sure which one. YMCA Manila. There's a place you can go when you're short on your peso.
This one is the East Clock, facing Malacanang Palace, which we still have to go to.
Malaki. The Palace. Oh, and there's the train. Here comes the train.
I don't know where the palace is.
It's over there somewhere. A lot of the stuff that it used to be visible is probably hidden behind tall buildings now. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clunk. So you're ready. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're spiraling. I'm spiraling out of control. It's not bad. I mean, really, if it wasn't so hot and humid, then the stairs themselves would not be a big deal.
I got nothing to prove. I'll do this my own way. I only need to move at my own pace. I know how I can win without running the race. I only need to live at my own pace. I only need to live at my own pace.
Any clock tower information you'd like to share?
No.
No? Okay. Here's the view. Way up high. We'll take you up to the top. Bring it back down. Ta-da.
So to cross the street, you go down the bridge. So see those the green slant things.
Oh, right, right. Oh, it's under the
It's an
street.
underpass.
Oh, an underpass.
And then you come out on the other side.
I see that, yeah, over there.
That's pretty good.
Definitely safer. And over here, we'll go window by window, huh? Oh, hey, look. Whoa. There's a breeze coming in the window, so there's a little relief if you're up here. Back to the other. Just a higher view of the same angle, you know. You're all the way up here. That's the KKK Memorial, right? We're gonna go down there too, and we'll get some shots of that. Not the KKK, the USA knows.
Yeah.
It's not the KKK of the USA. Another open window down there, so that's good. The air quality doesn't look too good today.
It's cloudy and muggy.
Cloudy, muggy, and a little gray. It's got a little bit of that diesel tint going to it. Dun, 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 dun. It's a view though. It's pretty high. The good thing is train. No one riding on the top of the train. They haven't got that way yet. The good thing is they're not building super high rises near here and obstructing the views of the clock tower. So hopefully that will never happen. They're getting close, but they're not on top of it yet. I'm sure they have some kind of a rule where the clock tower has to be a structure within a certain radius. Oh, there's a, what's that one? Is that the art museum? The big flag?
Manila Museum, Philippine National Museum.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's
Where
the
we went?
one. There are a couple around. It looks like it.
I'm sure there's other, it does because of the entrance and the park over there. I think that's what do we call that over there? You can see the big, I use my finger pointer. I can't really tell on the screen. I think I'm pointing at it.
You can just zoom it in.
There's a big, and it's right there. Bah, bah, bah. The big flag, where the big Filipino flag that is now just unfurled. Now you can't see it, but that's the Heritage Museum. National Museum. And that's it? Yeah, it's a museum. You know.
Guess I can look it up.
There you go, guys. All right, well, that was our time in the clock tower. That's the clock tower.
Good.
So there's a lot to do,
The
lots to see.
National Museum of Fine Arts.
National Museum of Fine Arts. So you can come up here to the clock tower. You can get a good view. You can see some fine Filipino artwork. And on the way up, or on the way back, you can stop at the cafe, which is what we're going to do right now, right? Iced drinks, ice cold something.
All right.
Let's go. We're good.
My own pace. I only need to live at my own pace. At my own pace. At my own pace.
We're done. We just had lunch. Here's lunch. Wanna show them the menu?
Oh, well, I did.
You did?
Yeah, I got the scan. It's a nice little cafe. If you're ever at City Hall, stop by. Have some silog and maybe a cold drink. Hey, we're back.